The ZUZEE Z1 portable tire inflator and air compressor establishes a new benchmark for what a compact, cordless air pump can achieve, primarily through its remarkable combination of speed and precision. This device is engineered to inflate tires 4 times faster than many standard portable competitors, a claim that significantly reduces the time spent on what is typically a tedious chore. More impressively, it maintains an inflation accuracy within a razor-thin margin of plus or minus 0.1 bar, ensuring that your vehicle's tires are inflated to the manufacturer's exact specifications. This level of precision is typically found in professional-grade equipment, making the Z1 an exceptional tool for anyone from daily commuters to meticulous car enthusiasts who understand the critical importance of correct tire pressure for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Ease of use is a central pillar of the ZUZEE Z1's design, making it accessible to users of all technical proficiencies. The unit features 4 intuitive preset modes for common inflation tasks, allowing you to simply select the object, be it a car, motorcycle, bicycle, or sports ball, and let the compressor do the rest, automatically shutting off when the ideal pressure is reached. For more customized needs, a versatile 0 to 150 psi custom mode offers complete manual control. The clear digital display shows real-time pressure readings and preset values in 4 switchable units: PSI, bar, kPa, or kg per cm squared, providing clarity and eliminating any guesswork. This thoughtful integration of smart automation and user-controlled flexibility ensures a seamless inflation experience every time. Power and versatility are further amplified by the Z1's dual power supply system, which effectively eliminates range anxiety and the fear of a dead battery. Its high-performance internal 5C battery is a standout feature, capable of supporting continuous operation for up to 2 hours on a single charge, a significant upgrade over models that deplete quickly. For those who prefer a wired connection or need to conserve battery life, the compressor can also be powered directly through the included car cigarette lighter cord. This redundancy makes the Z1 a profoundly reliable companion for long road trips and remote adventures where a power source might not be guaranteed. Beyond its primary function, the ZUZEE Z1 is packaged as a comprehensive emergency preparedness tool. It includes a multifunction LED light that serves as a flashlight for nighttime repairs, a warning beacon to alert traffic, or a distress signal in case of a breakdown. Perhaps its most innovative secondary feature is its ability to function as a power bank, capable of charging smartphones and other essential electronic devices, ensuring you stay connected during an emergency. This multi-purpose utility transforms the inflator from a single-use gadget into a vital piece of safety equipment for your vehicle. The design philosophy of the Z1 also prioritizes safety and portability. Critical safety features like an anti-scalding air tube and an automatic overheating protection system prevent burns and potential damage to the unit during extended use. Its compact and stylish form factor allows for effortless storage in any glove compartment or trunk organizer, ensuring it is always on hand without consuming valuable space. This combination of robust power, intelligent safety measures, and a portable footprint means that achieving perfectly inflated tires is a task that can be completed in minutes anywhere, liberating you from the inconvenience of searching for a distant and often costly gas station air pump. While the ZUZEE Z1 is an impressive piece of technology, its high-performance battery, though long-lasting, does require planning, as it must be pre-charged via an outlet before its first cordless use, which may not be ideal for someone needing immediate cordless operation straight out of the box. Some users might also find that during prolonged continuous use on larger vehicles like trucks or SUVs, the motor becomes quite warm to the touch, a common trait among compressors of this class, though the built-in overheating protection does mitigate any risk of damage.